Okay. Oh, so we need to save this touring, right? Okay. Welcome everyone. This is the new to me 1994 BMW 525 Touring, and we have to save it. No, so you basically have two options when it comes to the E34s, Tourings or regular E34s. You either pay good money and just buy really good condition one, well taken care of, or you put a lot of money and elbow grease and got the one built yourself. I usually prefer the second option, and this is not exclusion. For me, this one is the perfect candidate. It got no engine or transmission though. I got this engine prepared for it. Anyways, I already have two Tourings which are V8s, and I was really lacking 525, like the inline six in my life. No engine, no transmission, meaning we have to put something in it. As of right now, I'm gonna do the non-Vanos M50. I got it on a junkyard. It's unknown condition. I haven't even cleaned it yet. So as of right now, I'm just gonna put it in just to have this touring up and running so I can move it around. But let's go and check it out, what it looks like. So the interior doesn't look terrible on the first look, but in fact, it is actually pretty bad. And the reason is the sunroof was open whole 10 years and the water just goes in it. The floors are wet and moldy. The rear seats are moldy. And in fact, they are still wet. And I think we got the mice nest in here, jeez. Some extra parts. Definitely not good. Headliner is gone. 211,000 miles. So when it comes to checking the rust on an E34, usually the first things are the doors, especially the driver's door. And this one is not great. I'm sure it's rusty where the fender meets the body. It's always like that. Oh yeah, it's pretty bad. A little bit chipping in here. What else? Dings and dents in here. Dings and dents on the roof. Hood. Missing the nose clip. Missing the engine, obviously. Okay, so got the engine kind of ready. Got the ZF 5-speed transmission from the junkyard. Same with the clutch and flywheel. It came out from E39 530. Same with the transmission. And the engine came from crashed E34. Hopefully it's good. I'm gonna throw it in, see how it works, and then... Got the engine and transmission together. And gonna try to put it in. Automatic drive shaft out. Here's the manual one. It's around 9 3/4 inches or 25 centimeters longer because the manual transmission is shorter, obviously. Got the engine in. Got some wiring in. And basically we'll try to crank it now. The next step would be to put the manual pedals to take the automatic crap out of it. and put the engine together and try the first start. Got the engine together, at least it's kind of ready for the start. Put the manifold, some sensors, accessories, MEF sensor. Ended up using the E36 harness just because I don't have E34 non-Venice one. Temporary ground. So engine is pretty much ready to start. Had to take out the original 410 differential and put one of the 323s I have because it had a different flange. So this flange, like the front flange, was too small for the drive shaft for this one. Got the transmission in. The drive shaft is in pretty much. The only thing left is the third pedal for the clutch. Got the shifter in, 5-speed, ZF transmission. Taking out this steering wheel with the pedal box in order to put the proper 3 pedals. Right here. We can hear the tire is going to be flat. We're losing air. Literally took it for the first spin. It's running and driving fine. Got the coolant bleeded. Need to put the rest of the front clip so at least I can take it to the streets. Heat is working and I'm super excited how these things came out. Took me a couple days from making non-rolling shell to running driving car. First time in 10 years. Interior is the mess. And also exterior is ugly. Definitely need more attention, but we keep working on it. Let's take it for the spin. Oh. Exhaust is super loud. I only put like one muffler and I haven't finished the exhaust because I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with a complete exhaust system. But anyways, let's try it. It's stupid loud yet. Z3M short shifter. I think it's really good in here. It's not too notchy, but it's pretty good. Tires are absolute crap. And it's super slippery. The next step will be to clean it, so at least it's okay to be here inside. The engine is up to the temp. Funny thing about M50s, you can floor them, but you're still driving slow. And that's kind of fun, driving slow cars actually. Put the headlights and the hood on.